hear compressor running. Everything, huh?
Well, better together once on my day off.
Are you guys open already for the dining in?
We don't want to do it. We're waiting on that.
Why is that?
Well, for capacity, people start 48 people. You know, the most you can put in here is 46, 12, 30. The most you can put in here is about 40 people. If we have a line to the door, we're already at 45%.
I see. You cannot use those tables anyways, huh?
No, it's just, you know, really, you know,
Right.
putting tables up there.
Okay, so what do we have? Guys, what do you think? I'm thinking low high pressure switch. It's only one fan and it's running. Let's take the bean off. Got the stuff here with the washers. Don't close those guys. There is another two things. Another one on the other side. Move that out of the way. Remove the train line. Should have trained it. Oh yeah.
Depending on how you're going to do is go out there on the outside because there's a lot of stuff down there. And
just
you'll
came
try
up.
to do about 2 or 3 times just to
Let's see if the air compressor any good.
that's like the great scrubbing pad, just scrub the outside now.
To the ground. I'll need to test it with Just two hands. Unfortunately, you guys not gonna see it. Sure. Hey Julio, this is Marat at RPM.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, looking for the start components for the compressor, Copland.
Okay, what model do you have?
ASE24 C as in cat 3 Edward IAA 301.
Turn this on and I'll tell you right now if I have them. Okay, hold on a second.
Uh-huh.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Let's see.
Anything else? Relay and overload.
Yes, it looks like I do have everything in stock.
Oh, beautiful. Can you put it on local? Maybe that's the reason right there. Right there. Okay, let's go to RST. Pick up our stuff. Compressor seems to be fine. Okay, let's go guys to RSD. Julio's saying they have all components. It's kind of far from here. I'm going to Lake Forest. Lake Forest branch. City of Lake Forest. City that doesn't have no lake, no forest, but they... Okay, I got the parts. They had everything in stock. I check if they correct, at least if they look the same as what I pulled out from the original one. And let's go back. Blue, new Calgon. That's what I want. So we. Hallelujah. Start this. Getting piece by piece. Okay. These wires seem to be fine. That's how it goes. This one goes how it goes. It should be like that, I guess. Okay, next piece is our relay. Okay, so our relay is going this way. last piece is our capacitor. I need to steal wires from that one. Oh, nice, they even drop bleeder. That's a good thing. I forgot to ask them for it. Not sure on this end. 165 volts, 250 AC. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this one. I don't know if they give me 250 when it's 165 on this one. Okay, let's read it. Original. Okay, all components back on. Oops. We got a little water drop from there. To short the new ones. Let's get nitro and try to get that water out of here. And now let's wash coil. This is the best I could do. I'm not gonna bother anymore. Where's the coil? I'll wash that. Let's close it down and start. Little pin dropped in, that one dropped in. Let's get the drain line back on. The coil is so bad. We might have problem at summer. I'll need to tell the guy. There's no pressure in this drain line. Don't need to type it super bad. So okay, drain is on, everything's on. Fingers crossed that our compressor will come on. Some time, see if it's gonna drop ice. So we need to put back our holders. Although our guys probably can't see. It's right there. Spoke to the owner, we're gonna come back to do the cleaning, because we're gonna do full maintenance somewhere in the mid of April, in a couple of weeks, and that's it. Those. Well, yeah, it's gonna. I mean, it's gonna help your appliances as well. The lifespan is gonna be longer if you're gonna bring the temperature down in your kitchen. Because what it's summer, it gets to like 90, 100 degrees, huh?
In here, it's like everyone's like, turn the air conditioner. Oh, it's so hot in here, man. It's like, it's not, dude. Look at my, I've got like almost $50,000 electric bill for not even it being comfortable in here.
Yeah,
And I'm more worried about like them in the kitchen. You know, I'd like something like that. You know, I think we talked about like something that sucks the heat out there.
yeah,
You know,
definitely.
something that like really suck it out of there.
It's just reducing life of your compressors and the fridges and stuff like that. Because 100 degrees and 90 degrees even, and you're running all that equipment in the back, self-contained units, they struggling. The ice, so nice machine works.
They had a freak. And had a freak out yesterday. Frankly so. Go to the ice store, get a 20-pound bag of ice, all of it.
Oh, yeah, I know. How much do they charge you for ice?
I don't even know. I told them, and the kids never look at like per pound prices. They never look at like a tag for the per pound price or anything. They buy it. It's really stupid.